Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a task in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, in the left panel, you have here task. Okay, so just click on it. Now you can go ahead and click on the blue button right here at the top right, just to add a task. Also, you have here a drop down if you want to add a task list. Okay, you can click on this option as well. Now a shortcut. Okay, you can go and press T on your keyboard to start adding new task. Let's go ahead and select a project from here, maybe a YouTube project. Task name, create a video about Zoho Projects, just for example. Add a description, also make a thumbnail. Okay, and once that's done, select the task list, internal or external. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and select internal right here. If you have attachments, just click on this hyperlink, okay, to start adding your attachment. Now I'm just going to close this one. I'll just go ahead and fill in the required field. The associated team right here. If you have created one, the owner, which is you basically, or if you want to assign this one to someone, just start typing their name and you will have a drop down. Okay. The work hours right here can be flexible or standard. Just enter the work hours, maybe 8. Okay. 8 hours a day. Hit on done. Start date, maybe today. End date, today as well. Priority, high, low, medium, or none. Tags right here. I'm just going to go ahead and add in all of the tags available. And a reminder, maybe on specific date, which is today. Notify user, the task owner, project owner, email template. If you don't have any, just click on create mail template right here. Okay. Recurrence. I'm just going to go ahead and select daily right here. Hit on done. Billing type, is it billable or non-billable? Okay. Once that's done, just click on add right here and you'll have a new task. The status right here is open. That is it. If you want to change the view of this task list, okay, just click on this drop down right here. If you want to, you can go ahead and use Kanban. And it could be by status or priority. There you go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.